Project Alert, my people. Governor Charles Soludo is on the move again, and this time it's the 8.8 kilometer Aguleri Otu Road. Yes, work is currently progressing steadily as the Anambra state government links the hinterland to the oil-rich mainland, bringing hope to communities that have long been cut off by bad roads. As you can see in the video, this is not just road, as I would always say, it's a lifeline. From better access to markets to improved security and easier transportation, the economic and social impact of this project will be massive for the people of Anambra East. Governor Charles Soludo is not just talking transformation, he's building it. Stay tuned to our channel as we bring you more updates on the projects reshaping our dearest region. See you in the next video.